guys, this is Donovan with Simple Production. Sorry it's been a while, like a long time since I made a video. At least I think it's been long, like at least maybe 2 weeks. Anyways, as you see, the truck is wrapped. A lot of you guys have seen the wrap already at the show, at the Daytona show that just today was the last day of. So I'm gonna let you guys at least see the wrap a little bit, since you guys, it's already been at the show and a lot of people have already seen it. So see, here's the wrap right here. So I'm not gonna show too much of it, but yeah. Anyways, the main thing for today is, while I was at the show, one of my sponsors dropped something off for me, and it was supposed to be done before the show. And as you can see, I got this old shitty tip right here, and well, it's not shitty, it's just, you know, plain and normal and stuff. Well, one of my sponsors dropped me off a tip, and there it is. TSO FAB makes it. It's actually powder coated black with color match to the lift. So I'm gonna put that on real quick. He's ready. So we're just gonna cut the exhaust off about right here while it's hot. We just drove it all day. So we're just gonna saw this off real quick. So I'll be back. I'll give you guys. It'll be about a second for you guys, but it's gonna be about 14 hours for us to saw it off. So you gonna keep on doing that. So I just gotta wait for him. So usually slow anyways. So while he's sawing that,
fucking transmission idiots.
So while he's sawing that old tip off there, I'm gonna unwrap this and get this one ready. As you can see, it does get held on by 4 bolts instead of most of the time it's like a little screw they tighten up that goes around your exhaust. He's still going at it, and but this one's held on by 4 bolts. But I'll probably do a little tack weld on there too, just so people won't be able to steal my exhaust tip, at least not as fast. So when I slap that on there, I think it'll look good. Maybe later down the road we might do an axle dump or something like that, but I always like just the normal look of it coming out the side of the truck. It's just how I like, you know, just the look of it. But yeah, so let's get that ready, slap this on, and see how it turns out. So
probably cut it right behind the weld, huh? We're gonna be here a while doing that.
I'm keeping that in there.
Eat a dick. You wanna hold that?
Yeah, give me a second. Since this thing's hot, so thank you, Recon, getting lit. We're getting lit here. All right, I am ready. Yeah. So just leave it like that.
I just gotta grind that off a little bit.
All right. So this thing will be unwrapped now. See, unwrapped. So now we're gonna slap it on the truck, figure out good placing for it, and then we'll have to mark where we have to drill the holes in the side of the exhaust, and it'll be on. Yeah, marker. So we got the top bolt on now. Just gotta hold it there, and we can do the other 3. So far, thing looks sick. We'll push more back than the how they had the Mbrp one, since we had saw the exhaust a little bit, but. Looking good.
Precious fucking pubics up top.
His hair got stuck in his other face plates and he pulled.
Fuck you.
Still smell like burning hair now when I start the truck.
There's a piece stuck in, I can't get out, so more than likely.
This is how you know when Cole it was there. He just leaves little pubic hairs.
Noggin hairs.
Noggin hairs. Anyways, look at that. We got done. Looks good. We're just gonna do keep it bolted in for now, and then do the tack weld probably tomorrow or one of these days. But looks good. All these little silver bolts, they are kind of a little long. It's just kind of weird, but what they do, they also do double face plates on the sides of the tips. So he probably just orders a bunch just the same lengths instead of having ordered 2 different size lengths, and then just puts them in there even on the single plate. But you won't see those after a little while because everything in here will just turn all black anyway from the soot. It looks good though. Turned out real good. I like it. Matches the lift kit. He did that all in powder coat. So turned out good. Oh, look at this. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video. More videos will be coming up of the process of doing the wrap, and then still want to do like a review video almost, just dedicated just to the truck with the wrap on and all that, rolling shots and stuff. We'll do that at some point whenever I get time, and I will be doing the video of the Daytona meet that just happened this weekend. Like I said, today was the last day, so go do a video for that since I did a bunch of filming for there, and give you guys you know, something that you guys might enjoy. So I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Later, guys.